Hi, I'm Dr. Russell Lowry Hart, and I'm the Chancellor for Austin Community College. Y'all, the future of work isn't waiting for higher education to catch up. It is already here. The question is whether we're willing to work differently to meet it. At ACC, we've learned that the strongest workforce partnerships don't happen around a conference table. Instead, they happen when K-12, colleges, employers, philanthropy, workforce organizations, and community leaders align around one goal: building better futures for our students. And that's what we'll explore during our South by EDU panel, Building America's Future Workforce Through Strategic Partnerships. This isn't a conversation about partnership for partnership's sake. It's about how we build systems that respond to students' lives, prepare the workforce our community actually needs, and create opportunities at scale. We'll share what's working. We'll share when we're still learning, and we'll talk about how communities can move beyond isolated programs to build connected pathways into high demand careers. Because no one organization can prepare tomorrow's workforce alone. It will take all of us. I believe the future of education is built through partnership, and I hope you'll support our session. I'd love to continue the conversation with you at South by EDU. Thank you.